Lot 222, the 1972 Maserati Ghibli SS, one of the all-time great GT cars, here with the larger matching numbers 4.9-liter engine, and as a late production car, many of the engineering improvements made over the course of production. The car has had recent extensive restoration work and was fitted with a 5-speed gearbox as well as light cream Connolly hides. The 4.9-liter Ghibli SS.
Thank you very much, Alan. The more powerful 4.9-liter SS, ladies and gentlemen. What do we say? Let's start the bidding at 150. 150, grazie. I have $150,000 bid from Italy. 150 con te at 150,000. I have $175,000 bid anyway. 175, thank you. 175. Siamo 175. Are you buying yourself a Maserati Ghibli now? Are you sure you're not? You're 100% positive. Because I did see you bid. Okay, just checking. At $175,000, I'll let you off this time, no Ghibli for you. At $175,000, siamo 175,200, se vuoi, grazie. I have $200,000 bid from Italy. That's $200,000 now. Do I have $225,000? That's $200,000 then. 25, thank you, RJ, $225,000, RJ's bid. That's 25, siamo $225,000 l'offerta è contro di te. 250 se vuoi? No? Come vuoi tu? Well, Italy's out. The bid with RJ is $225,000. I'm selling the car. Make no mistake. It's going to be sold at $225,000. $235,000. $235,000. $250?
There you go.
You tell me, is it a bid? You're pointing. $250. Thank you. $250,000. $260 or not? Yes, $260,000, thank you. $270,000 now. We're at $260,000, $270,000, thank you. $270,000 on my left, still coming from Italy. $280,000, thank you. $280,000. Siamo a $280,000 contro di te. $290 se vuoi. $290? Grazie Corrado. $290,000 I bid on my left here. At $290,000. Do I have $300,000 from either of you? We're at $290,000. I bid from Italy on my left at $290,000. I'm selling the car, make no mistake. It's going overseas and it's going for the first time. At $290,000, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. Make no mistake, $300,000. Siamo a $300,000 contro di te, Corrado. At $300,000, I've got your bid at $300,000. Do I have $310,000? 310 se vuoi. At $300,000, sicuro? Grazie comunque per l'offerta. At $300,000, Italy's out. 310. Weaver, it's your bid at $310,000. 320. Is that 310 on the aisle? At $310,000. Who's? Is it the same bid? 310 on the aisle right here in front of me. Do I have 320 now in the back? At $310,000. Well, I'm selling here, and it's going for the first time. At $310,000, it's going here on the aisle for the second time. Third and last time. Are we all done? All finished at $310,000. Sold. 310. Well done. Well purchased. Okay, can I get a number from you? 310,000. 7395. Alex, how is it that RJ's voice is better than yours?